Ranking the funniest cat versus water moments. Level 1. This is where the confidence starts disappearing.
No, he's gonna make it. Here, Bear. You okay? Where are you? He's mad. No. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come here.
Level 2. Whatever you do, don't let go. Level 3.
It's okay, Daddy.
Really? Level 4. This cat has zero chill.
Oh meu Deus, que gato doido é esse, menino?
Level 5. Your soul just disconnected for a second.
Oh no!
Like and subscribe for more ranking videos.